Meghalaya Livestock Enterprises Advancement Society M leads a collaborative effort between Veterinary and Animal Husbandry and Cooperation Department to boost piggery production. Today distributed cheques to 1,183 individuals belonging to the 30 cooperative societies to the tune of 15.10 crore rupees. This was done at a function of Meghalaya Piggery Mission held at the State Convention Centre in Shillong. Meghalaya Piggery Mission aims to make the state self-sufficient in pork production, improve incomes of over 25,000 households, enhance food security, strengthen cooperative culture and credit extensions, and improve the nutritional status of the state's population. Addressing the gathering through video conferencing, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma lauded and congratulated the efforts of all stakeholders in making the Meghalaya Piggery Mission a reality. He stated that this project is very important and the government has been working on it for a year and a half. While mentioning the huge revenue loss by importing pig from outside the state, the Chief Minister encouraged individuals, cooperative societies and the community to come forward and avail a scheme of the Meghalaya Piggery Mission to enhance the economic condition of the people. Speaking as chief guest, Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong during his address stated that this is a historic moment for the cooperative sector and hope that the financial assistance distributed today will serve as working capital for the beneficiaries. Tinsong said, Meghalaya is the only state in the country that provides piggery loans to the farmers without taking interest. Tinsong called on the hawkers and street vendors to go back to the village and take up poultry farming, which is more stable income and also economically viable. Later, the Deputy Chief Minister handed over the cheques to the beneficiaries from all 11 districts of the state. GHP Raju, Principal Secretary Corporation, termed the Meghalaya Piggery Mission as the biggest and unique piggery mission in the country. Dr. Vijay Kumar D, Commissioner and Secretary Corporation, hoped that Meghalaya will be self-sufficient in piggery mission production within the next 3 years due to the kinds of impetus that the state government is giving to the Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Department and Cooperation Department.
We do have here a registrar, Chocolate, Joint Secretary, Mrs. Booth, Director of Veterinary, Joint Director, the officers of the different departments who are here with us, and especially a special thanks goes to all of you, members of the Cooperative Society. I think, as already mentioned by the Commissioner Secretary, who is also the CEO of MLEADS, on the 10th of September, we launched this mission from Delhi. And this was done by the Honorable Chief Minister Shri Conrad Sangma. And then the Minister of State in charge of agriculture was also there from the Government of India. And that day when we launched this mission, after 2-3 days I've seen the comment in the media and also in the Facebook. They said, why should the Honorable Chief Minister launch this project, this mission, all the way from Delhi? That was the question where I have seen in the social media. And you know, our people are so, they are so funny, I should say. They know only in criticizing, but they don't really know that the government is serious on business. From September, and I think it's a matter of few months today, we are able to issue the check.
For getting this fund of 209 crores for the piggery mission. In fact, sir, this is the first time. It is a synergy and the coherence and the coordination between the Cooperation Department and the Animal Husbandry Department, sir. This is the first time a mission with a vision launched under the aegis and the operational guidance of MLEADS, where the Cooperation Department and the Animal Husbandry Field Officers in tandem visited, motivated, encouraged and educated our farmers to constitute into cooperative societies, and the enthusiasm is overwhelming, sir. Nearly 450 cooperative societies, the existing as well as the new cooperative societies, are in the offing, and everybody is looking to this mission for funding, both for breeding as well as for the fattening. Sir, this is a historic occasion, and this mission has two dimensions. One is, out of the 209 crores, nearly 150 crores or plus is meant for the piglets procurement over a period of next 5 years. And the Animal Husbandry Department want to be an active partner in the successful implementation of this mission, sir, by energizing, activating the existing 13 the piglet breeding farms under the aegis of the Animal Husbandry Department, because the total piglets requirement, the demand for the piglets under the piggery mission is roughly around 50,000 piglets per annum, whereas the existing piglets production by the Animal Husbandry Department are nearly 8,000 per annum. We are aiming to enhance our piglets production from the existing 8,000 to nearly 20,000 in the next coming 3 years for the benefit of our farmers, because one of the key elements of this mission is to prevent capital flight